Do you know that some of the most critical jobs in our society go unnoticed? Flashy fancy careers such as AI engineer, digital marketeer, managers, etc., they gets all the attention. Whereas the most important jobs for humanity such as farmer, doctor, electrician, plumber, or even in software engineering there is a kernel developer, these important jobs get ignored. Today I will explain you why modern job market in tech industry is a great delusion, and understanding this delusion will help you to make right career decisions. So let's get started. Here is a brutal reality. The most important jobs are least in demand. High value does not mean high in demand. Many job roles are high value for society, but they are low in demand. Here is an example. A kernel developer in software engineering is a very important job role because without kernel developer, you cannot build and run any operating system, whether that be Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. It is the kernel developer who writes code on a very low level which runs on bare metal hardware. Developing kernel for operating system is very important for our tech ecosystem. Now here is my question to you. How many job roles are available for it in the market? The answer is very few. And how many next generation of kids are interested in becoming kernel developer? Maybe very few are interested. Here is another excellent example. A farmer who is good and skillful in agriculture is extremely important, not just to our society but for humanity to flourish. In fact, in any given time period, whether that be 18th century, 19th century or 20th century, farming is an important profession, and without it you can't produce food and you will stay hungry. Without farmer you cannot produce healthy food to eat. Now once again, here is my question to you. How many people are interested in farming as a career or job role? The answer is very few. But when it comes to fancy job titles such as AI engineer, digital marketeer, managers, etc., there are many job roles available in that market, and everyone keep chasing the fancy job title but ignores the most crucial jobs which runs the world and which are important for humanity. This eventually creates problem when economy is in crisis. It is obvious that fancy job title might not create high value to humanity or society, and hence it leads to mass layoff and you will always struggle with jobs. Lesson to learn here is choose high value jobs or careers. Don't choose jobs or careers based on fancy job titles. Instead, figure out what you enjoy to do and figure out what society wants and try to find a job in between these two, somewhere in the middle. The beauty of tech industry is it is a high scaling industry as we innovate in it. What do I mean by it is technology is a force multiplier. With every new innovation, the work can be done quicker and faster and efficiently by few number of people. You don't need team of thousands of engineers to build and maintain a product. Only few handful of good software engineers can build and maintain a tech product which can be used by billions of people around the world. Take a look at X. When Elon Musk acquired Twitter, he fired 80% of its employees and still managed to run and expand Twitter without any issue. The big advantage of tech industry is you only need few good people in senior level to run a tech business. The disadvantage is you don't need thousands of employees to run tech business, which means lots of job layoff. But on the other hand, the power of scalability in tech industry gives you ability to become solo entrepreneur or build your own solo business. So the question is, why to chase fancy or popular job titles if they are temporary? So the lesson here to learn is work on crucial job roles which are important for industry, like a kernel developer, ethical hacker, etc., or simply work for crucial job roles or careers which are important for society and human beings such as farmer, healthcare worker, etc. Now let me end this video on an inspirational note. Do not get married to your career because world is always changing and evolving, and you need to change and evolve yourself according to it. Keep learning various skills which are rare and sustainable in the long run of life, and always remember that biggest advantage of today's tech industry is the scalability, which means anyone can become self-employed. With that said, have a nice day and bye bye. And if you get the value out of this video, make sure you hit subscribe button and like this video and share it with everyone. Bye bye and have a nice day.